Can you put that back on? What is that?
Hat.
It's a hat, yes. Ooh. Hey, Dill. Is that Frank? Oh, Frank's going for a ride on a pumpkin in a stroller. That's crazy. Oh, maybe not. Oh, thank you.
Daddy.
Dylan.
Daddy.
Dylan.
Daddy.
Dylan. What letter is that?
T.
Yeah. What letter is that?
B.
Uh-huh. What about that one? What's that one? N. Close enough. This one's M. Oh, exactly. N is for nail. What letter is this? No, what one's that? Well, yeah, that's M in your hand. Yeah. What letter is this? Oh, maybe not. You going for a walk?
What?
Going for a walk? Oh, hug. Hug. What are you doing over there, kiddo?
Daddy.
Dylan.
Daddy.
Dylan.
Daddy.
Dylan.
Daddy.
Dylan.
Hello.
Hmm?
Hello. Hello.
Stroller. Yeah, stroller.
Hello.
Stroller.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Frank fell out of the stroller? Yeah. You gotta pick him up, put him in.
Daddy.
Dylan.
Daddy.
Dylan.
Daddy.
Dylan.
Daddy.
Dylan. Can you say, Daddy? You say, Daddy.
Oh. We more. T.
T, good girl. Oh. Oh, help. Hey, what's a chicken say?
Buck.
What's an elephant say? Oh, yeah, sure. What's an elephant say? What's a monkey say? What's a cat say?
Meow.
What's a mouse say? What's an owl say? What's a doggy say? Yes, what does a lion say? What's a bird say?
Pete.
Tweet, tweet. What's a rooster say? What does... I don't know. What else do we know?
Burger.
Hmm? Oh, what is the Sure, what is this? What is this? What is What does a sheep say? Bah. What does a car say? Vroom, vroom. What does a duck say? Quack, quack. What does a pig say? Oink, oink. Yeah, that was a little tricky. Hat, hat. Can you say daddy? Oh. Uh-oh. Who's that? That is Hoot. Hoot's an owl. Can you say peekaboo? Peekaboo? Can you say hello?
Hello.
Hello. Can you say Anna?
Anna.
Can you say Zachary?
Hungry. Hey.
Can you say Dylan?
Dia.
Dia. Can you say pumpkin?
Paka.
Can you say snowman?
Hamad.
Can you say stop sign? Yeah, I don't know if you know that one.
Mo.
Want Daddy to spin it? Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Can you blow a kiss to me? Can you blow a kiss to the camera?
Bye-bye.
Can you blow a kiss?
Bye-bye.
I know, bye-bye. Can you?
Bye-bye.
Yes. Can you blow a kiss? No. Can you say you're welcome? Can you say love you?